I Treasure Home, and so today we're going to make some soap. Now, I don't make soap, homemade soap like, a lot of people do because I don't have room to store the equipment and everything. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to put some stuff together. So, I'm going to get this all cleaned up and show you my products. Alright, so I use the CeraVe. It's supposed to be a facial cleaner, but kind of just use it for soap. So since this is low, I'm going to take that out. Now I have this little one that I'm going to add to this one. But I'm going to add some other stuff to it too, so that it'll make it fuller. Now, like if you have leftover soap bars and everything, you can melt them and pour that into this also. Here we go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Just to let it drip. Get as much out of it as you can. Oh, bubbles! Blowing bubbles. Alright. So, we got that in there. So, I'm going to put some more in there. So, I also have castile soap that I'm going to add. But there you go. Yeah, that's enough. Now you could put the whole bottle in there and everything, but since I don't have enough left, I won't. But I am going to also add just a drop or two of neem oil because it's good for your skin. So instead of taking the top off, you can like do 1, 2 like that. You put, and these bottles are so easy. It already has a little push top on it. Shake it up, make sure it mixes really well. And then you have soap. There you go. Just that simple. You can, as far as I know, if you want a scented soap, there's nothing different than the scented soaps you get in the store. You can have peppermint, vanilla, all kinds of different ways. Lang, or you got sandalwood and everything. So I might just put some essentials oil in this later. So, and there we go. That is my simple soap making project. I really don't have, like I said, a lot of room for equipment or anything. So I use things I have at home. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on I Treasure Home.